I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins at the closing market minute for Tuesday, September 16th. Soybeans, corn, and wheat all finished the session higher, supported by short covering, technical buying, and the lower move in the U.S. dollar index during the session. Soybeans and corn continue to keep an eye on early harvest activity and yield results as harvest moves into some key U.S. growing areas. 7% of the corn crops harvested, the soybean harvest is at 5%. And while conditions are generally favorable for much of this week, there is a chance of rain in parts of the region later on. That could delay activity at least a little bit. As for wheat, it is watching winter wheat planting, which is a little bit slower than average, especially in parts of the plains following some recent heavy rainfall. Conditions there again look generally favorable, but there are some probable rain delays. Live and feeder cattle closed lower, waiting for direct cash cattle business to get underway. Direct cattle markets remained very quiet during the session. No bids or asking prices have been reported as of yet. There was also profit taking, pressure from the sharply lower midday move in box beef, and some position squaring out of Friday's USDA cattle on feed numbers. And hogs closed mixed, adjusting spreads with a lot of ongoing questions about sustained domestic and export demand. The pork carcass cutout value was lower at midday on Tuesday, and there are a lot of questions ahead of a meeting between President Trump and President Xi on Friday. It's mostly expected to be about tech, not ag trade. With the closing market minute for Tuesday, September 16th, I'm Brownfield Commodity Market Reporter John Perkins.